start and welcome back to my channel. And guys, welcome back to 1K series की yet another video. So this video is a Q&A. So I have never done a Q&A which is like a proper Q&A जिसको मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि हाँ it's my Q&A. So I've asked you guys some questions. Oh sorry, you guys asked me some questions. So I'm going to answer them and it's some questions. So I'm really excited. तो चलो. First question is कि how I decided to make my channel. So there's nothing to just tell you about like a story. So channel बनाना was a random thought in my mind क्योंकि my Instagram was going ठीक, so I was like yes I can do it. So I decided कि we'll go on YouTube because I really love watching YouTube whenever I'm eating, whenever I'm putting bored. So yeah. So to be honest, मेरे को सच में कोई आइडिया ही नहीं था that what I will post on YouTube. That's how I started my channel and I was so blank, I was so newbie कि what is YouTube platform के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था. I used to see thousands of video of how to increase subscribers and this was all bullshit. ये मैंने आपको अपनी YouTube चैनल वाली वीडियो में आपको सब कुछ and these all were bullshit. So आपको ये मेरी YouTube जर्नी में सब कुछ सुनने को मिलेगा. तो I will recommend कि आप वो सुनो जब तक I don't know कि कौन सी वीडियो पहले आएगी. Yes, and now I am planning my videos a lot more पहले ताकि it will look good because I'm growing, I'm at the growing stage इसलिए. The next question is have I ever got mentally affected by the social medias? So yes, I did at a certain age क्योंकि people in social media are just like so dumb, so idiot. Sorry, not everyone are like that, but there are some section of people which are dumb, which are idiots, who like to bully others more than supporting. Like if you don't support, like कि अगर आप सपोर्ट नहीं कर सकते, अगर आप कुछ अच्छा नहीं बोल सकते तो नो वन गिव्स यू द लाइक परमिशन टू हेट ऑन अस. लाइक वी प्रेजेंट आवर सेल्फ ऑन सोशल मीडिया, इट डजंट मीन कि आओ आप हमें हेट करो. सो येस आई डिड गेट अफेक्टेड बाय इट व्हेन आई वाज ऑन लाइकिंग, बट नाउ आई हैव ग्रोन अप very well in social media. So the next question is how I control my anger. So for those of you who don't know that I have anger issues, I sometimes like बिल्कुल पागल ही हो जाती हूँ मैं गुस्से में. So drink water. I think पानी पीना is the best way to calm yourself down. And दो चार चीज़ें तोड़ो और क्या है. No, don't break anything. Either otherwise your mom will break your bones. So कुछ मत तोड़ो, just drink water and deep breaths never work for me. Like कभी भी नहीं होता. The next question is who is my favorite singer, composer, song and movie. So it's more like a rapid fire, but I know composer के लिए मेरे को पक्का गालियाँ पड़ने वाली हैं क्योंकि इस composer के लिए मैंने अपनी हर वीडियो में एक ना एक बार कुछ ना कुछ तो बोला ही होगा. My favorite singer is definitely अरिजीत सिंह, अरमान, आतिफ असलम एंड या बस और कोई नहीं अच्छा लगता. श्रेया घोषाल फॉर श्योर, आई लव. कंपोजर के लिए इट्स ऑलवेज अमल एंड प्रीतम दा ऑफ कोर्स. हिज सॉन्ग्स बीट कबीरा, बीट तालिमा, बीट गेरुआ, आई लव हिज सॉन्ग्स. लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द सॉन्ग्स आई लव इज प्रीतम दा के होते सारे. The song which I love the most is what is the first thing when I wake up. So I check my phone. Like that's for sure. I wake up today at 8:30 for going to the mandir. My dad made me wake up. I was like, "आप नहाने जाओ, then I will take bath and we'll go to the mandir." So what I did is I edited one video कल and I scheduled it आज. So I have posted it. So definitely the first thing I do is where is my phone? Searching my phone. हाथ में ले लो और जो करना है वो करो फ़ोन में. Then we'll keep it aside for a time. Then we'll come back and now it will be just कि रिंग ऐसे हो जाती है, कभी कभी साइड में हो जाती है. तो जब से अभी हाथ में इसको ऐसे ऐसे करने में लग रहा है कि अभी ऐसी हो गई, अभी ऐसे हो गई. So I think that's. So the next question is कि how many times in a day I get scolded by my mom. Oh my god, it's like more than 500 times. That too कि I'm very lazy. I don't like doing घर का काम. Like I do all of the household work. Still my mother don't feel that I do anything. That's every mother की कहानी, every बच्चों की कहानी. The second object is of course me making videos. I spent 4 hours shooting only 3 videos. तो उसके लिए भी थोड़ी कहानियाँ पड़ती है. फ़ोन के लिए तो रोज़ पड़ती है, बहुत पड़ती है, तो it's uncountable. That's it. Next question is a secret my mom doesn't know about me. So there is nothing which I hide from my mom, because people are like, oh I did this, my mom will kill me. But my mom is strict, but at a certain point कि no one can manipulate me about her कि ये ऐसा है वो ऐसा है. So a secret that she don't know, so it will be for sure कि I film only 2 videos a day, क्योंकि she doesn't know that sometimes I film 4 videos क्योंकि she knows I'll get ill, मैं बीमार पड़ सकती हूँ. That's why she don't let me film this much videos, but I film क्योंकि I like to get my work done time limit से पहले. तो that's one thing that my mom knows. So the next question is quite deep, but I would love to answer this because I feel it very good. So the next question is, who is my inspiration for creating my channel or being as a good human being? So as a human being, so of course it's my parents. Their upbringing, like मेरे चेहरे से झलकती है, the way they have grown me up. My papa, by my words you can just have an idea how my parents are. And of course as a human being, to be a better human being, of course MS Dhoni helped me a lot. His calmness, his smartness, his smartness, और उनका जो एक प्री प्लान वाला जो सिस्टम है, that helped me a lot for sure. So the next question is my favorite look of mine so far. So I created not so many looks, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात नहीं है. I will try to create, but I definitely know कि आप लोगों ने 1K सीरीज़ में जंगली वाला लुक जो इंट्रोडक्शन में था, I'll pop the picture over here. And जो second look है वो था that half face makeup. I really enjoyed that look. हाफ फेस मेकअप तो कुछ टाइम मेरी फ़ोन की वॉलपेपर में भी था, विच आई पॉप इट हियर. सो यस, ये दोनों मेरे फेवरेट लुक थे मेरे अब तक. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yes, this was it for the Q&A. I really enjoyed answering some of your questions. I took only like, I don't know, I took only questions which are less than 10. Sorry, I know आप लोगों ने भर के भेजे थे, but I don't have energy. It's my 5th video of the day running. So yes, I think you guys enjoyed too. Love you guys till then. Subscribe to my channel. Stay home. Stay. Why? Just beep beep beep. गली में कोई है? Stay home. Stay happy. Stay positive. Love you guys.